What you're looking at here is a Union Ngok Kee Golf Star. It is a 52-inch fan. A very weird 52-inch fan. You can see the motor is quite flat. Switch housing is pretty much the spinner switch housing. Ball socket canopy. It dates to 1984. The blades I'm using on it currently are Casablanca blades. When I found it, it did not have its blades. Boo hiss. So, I decided I would piece it together. So, yeah, the motor is cast iron. Surprisingly beefy. So let's see what this thing does. First we start on low. The bearings are a little loud, but they're smooth. The low speed's pretty fast. You can hear the noise there. Let's go to medium. Keep in mind, this is medium speed, not high. Kind of seems like high, doesn't it? Now we're going to high. This thing is a beast. It is what we call a sleeper fan. Okay? Looks kind of unassuming. Then, you turn it on and you see this. Absolutely beastly performance. The motor, this is more powerful than a K55. This is more powerful than most stack motors. Okay, it's probably running at 230 RPMs on high. Okay, and these are Casablanca blades I'm using on the fan, with a 14-degree blade pitch. And it's moving faster than the K55 does. And that's about 200 RPMs. So, this little thing's insane. Now, I'm going to turn it off and let it coast down. And we're going to reverse it. Start it on low. Now with this fan, like many early reversible fans, it runs slower on reverse than it does on forward. And the low speed's pretty fast. Put it medium. Now on high reverse. Slightly slower on reverse, maybe 180 RPMs, 190 maybe, compared to forward. So, now, reverse it again. Now we're going to start just from high to show the sheer power of this thing. Okay, that's starting it from high. Tis a beast. The motor is rated for 1.0 amps, in case you were wondering. And